Hi, Ian here. Today I want to talk about something a little different to my usual videos, with little being the operative word. The aspen leaf rolling weevil is small, only 4 or 5 millimeters long. It is a striking metallic copper, green or red above and dark blue below. It is active from May to September, with a peak of activity in June. It is also very localised in England, with less than 15 known sites, and we, as a trust, are privileged to number 3 of our reserves amongst that total. Along woodland paths in the right habitat, you may well come across the adult weevils on sunny days, or see feeding scars on the surface of a leaf. But much more obvious is breeding evidence. The weevil is very well named as it relies on the aspen tree, specifically young saplings, and it rolls leaves as an integral part of its breeding strategy. The female nips the leaf stalk, which over a course of a few days causes the leaf to soften and darken. 1 to 4 eggs are laid along the leaf edge, and then, as you can see being started here, the female, often with the help of the male, rolls the leaf into a very tight cigar shape. After 10 minutes, their progress is obvious. After a week, the eggs hatch and the larvae start to devour the decaying leaf. At some point, that leaf drops to the ground and the larvae burrow into the soil to pupate. Several generations may emerge over the summer months, with the final generation overwintering as adults on the ground, ready to emerge the following May. They are really worth searching out. Bye.